Happy Friday, everyone! Yay, it's another Friday. I hope you have a lovely sunny weekend like we did last week, because that was so lovely. Okay, so we are rounding off our week with tricky words today. So we're going to start off with our tricky words. What I would love you to do, just to revise over them, is to have a look at Tricky Word Song Phase 2 and Tricky Word Song Phase 3, which are both on YouTube and are really good at revising those tricky words. Okay, the next bit, I need you to get mummy or daddy or an older brother or sister, or even you could do it yourself if you wanted, to make a sheet that looks a bit like that. So has all of the tricky words that we've learned so far written down on one piece of paper. So that's the first thing. When you've got that piece of paper, you need to get your favourite coloured pen. And you also need a grown-up. And the grown-up is going to read out a tricky word to you. You need to find it on your sheet and see if you can circle it or cross it out or do a smiley face on it, anything that shows that you have found that word. You do not need to do every single word on the sheet. Obviously, the more you can do, the better. But see if you can find lots of those tricky words and recognise them. That would be amazing. And if you fancy writing a sentence with one of those words, even better, but we're not going to prescribe that today. We're just playing this game, so it's more to do with the reading of the tricky words today. And the last thing for phonics then is for you to take that book that you've been working on all week, working really hard, and see if you can read it today to someone or as many family members as will come and listen to you. And I say it every week, but I'm going to keep saying it. See how many words you can read without even sounding them out, because I bet you'll be able to read loads. So really enjoy that. Now for maths, we are going to round off our money. I'm hoping you've still got your shop from yesterday, so we're going to carry on again with our shops, but this time we're going to start exploring using 1p's, 2p's, 5p's and 10p. So yesterday I asked you just to concentrate, unless you're feeling so confident, on using just 1p coins. But if you had something that was worth 3p, so say if my pen here was worth 3p, you could pay for it with 3 1p coins, but there's another way that you could pay for it too. And the reason that we know this is because 2 add 1 equals 3. So a 2p add a 1p would equal 3p. So there are lots and lots of different combinations of coins that can take us to different amounts. So for a 7p, you might pay with 7 1p's, but there's also 5 add 2. 5 add 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you could use 7 1p's to make 7p, or you could use a 5p and a 2p. So this is quite a difficult concept, but see how you go with exploring, not just using 1p's, although if you'd like to stick to that, then that's absolutely fine, but also exploring using some different coins and see if you can find other combinations that add up to make the total. So I hope you get on really well with that. As always, anything we can do to help, just let us know. But if not, have an amazing weekend, and I will be back next week with a few more videos just like this. So I will see you very soon. Bye.